TaskRabbit is a platform that connects people who need help with various tasks to taskers willing to complete those tasks. Making money on TaskRabbit requires a combination of offering in-demand skills, providing excellent service, and effectively marketing yourself. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to make money on TaskRabbit. Sign up and get verified. Go to the TaskRabbit website or app and sign up as a tasker. Complete the registration process, which typically includes a background check. Determine your skills. List all the skills you possess that can be monetized. This could be anything from handyman services, moving assistance, cleaning, delivery, or personal assistant tasks. Do some research on TaskRabbit to see what services are in demand in your area. Set your rates. Start by checking out what other taskers with similar skills are charging in your area. It might be beneficial to set a slightly lower rate initially to attract your first clients. Once you've built a good reputation and received positive reviews, you can increase your rates. Optimize your profile. Write a clear, concise bio that highlights your skills, experience, and what makes you stand out. Add high-quality photos of yourself and, if applicable, before and after photos of tasks you've completed. Make sure to list all the tools and equipment you possess, as this can make you more attractive for certain tasks. Stay active and responsive. Always respond quickly to task invitations or messages from clients. Good communication is key. Turn on notifications for the TaskRabbit app so you're always in the loop. Deliver quality work. Always strive to exceed client expectations. The better your service, the more likely you are to get positive reviews, which can lead to more tasks and higher earnings. Complete tasks on time and be professional in all interactions. Ask for reviews. After successfully completing a task, kindly ask your clients to leave you a review. Positive reviews can significantly increase your visibility and trustworthiness on the platform. Stay updated. Periodically check the TaskRabbit platform for updates, new in-demand skills, or any changes in the terms of service. Attend tasker community events or webinars if available in your area. Manage your finances. Track all your earnings, and remember to set aside money for taxes. Since taskers are typically classified as independent contractors, you'll be responsible for handling your tax obligations.